This video I'm going to show you how to use some of the features with the Google to translate anything that you receive. So this is a message in Portuguese that I want to translate to English, so I'm going to use some tricks that I learned. So first I'm going to take a picture of the screen, so take a screenshot. Okay, and then I'm going to open up Lens and I'm going to hit translate. Okay, now I want to select the language and it's going to detect the language. So I'll leave it on detect language and I want to translate it to English. So up top, choose English. And then just hit yes, I guess. Okay, and that should do it, and there it is in English. So that was easy as that, just using those tools. And just go back to the video if you want to get the tutorial again. So that's it. So there you go.